Today's topic for discussion is a practical protocol of plant pathology. And today's topic is structure of tobacco mosaic virus. Tobacco mosaic virus, it is one of the pathogenic organism and it is an obligate parasite. It causes mosaic disease of tobacco plant. And especially it occurs on the leaf. And what exactly we have to do during practical? A museum specimen will be given to the students, and that the student has to observe all the details of the mosaic disease. They have to observe the infected leaf very keenly, and they have to note the symptoms which are caused by tobacco mosaic virus on tobacco leaf. And they have to write the details of the pathogenic organism, that is tobacco mosaic virus. It is difficult to isolate in the normal undergraduate laboratories because it is a very ultra microscopic organism. It requires ultra microscope to observe all the details. Let us see which type of symptoms are caused by the virus, that is TMV on tobacco leaf. Let us see. The initial symptoms: yellow color spots are developed on the leaf, and yellowing of leaf and clearing of veins are distinct, and the leaf get irregularly folded, and the affected tissue that becomes hard in touch, and the flexibility is reduced, and tenderness is finished in the leaf, and that becomes very hard. Infected leaf shows dark green spots of abnormal size and shape. Such symptoms are described as mosaic symptoms, mosaic type of symptoms, okay, and that is caused by a viral pathogen, and mosaic, it is a symptom which is caused especially by the viral pathogens, okay. The infected plants shows stunted growth, they remain short, they become dwarfed because there is direct effect on the leaf, and direct effect directly or indirectly the photosynthesis has been affected because of the disease, because the disease occurs on the leaf, and because of all such reasons the infected plant remains stunted. And such plants, the infected leaf, the leaf is the main product which is sold as a tobacco in the market. When the leaf is infected, then such leaves are unfit for consumption, or these are the value is reduced, the tobacco value of the tobacco is reduced in the market. Next, the pathogen which causes tobacco mosaic disease, that you have to write all the details of the structure of tobacco mosaic virus. It is a rod-shaped virus, and this rod-shaped virus, it consists of only two types of chemical, that is protein and nucleic acid. And this virus, it is a very small in size, and it requires electron microscope to see its details. The length of the rod is 300 μm and in diameter it is 50 μm, okay. And the particle, this rod shaped particle, this the virus, that is TMV, it has the outermost protein coat which consists of small subunits. The protein coat which is made up of small subunits, the subunit is known as capsomer. The capsomer, it is a protein unit that consists of 2000 in the protein coat there are 2130 identical protein subunits are there. Means in the complete virus of the tobacco mosaic disease, which causes tobacco mosaic disease, that consists of 2130 subunits of protein, and these subunits are called as capsomer, okay. And each capsomer, it consists of a long chain of 158 amino acids, okay. And the nucleic acid which is present in TMV, it is RNA. RNA is a nucleic acid and RNA is present in the TMV. And that RNA in the TMV that consists of 6400 nucleotides. Okay, and the TMV, that is tobacco mosaic virus, it is highly thermostable and remains infectious in nature. This is all about the demonstration of practical of structure of tobacco mosaic virus, and this practical is for undergraduate level. Hence, this is like this. Okay, next. Thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.